Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Lester Magpili, 67 years old, ng Silangan.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2 now. Candidate number 3. Thank you very much, candidate number 2 now. Candidate number 4. Walang dyan. Candidate number 5.
Good evening, Concepcion Velasquez, 62 years old, Alura!
Well, there's a winner of candidate number 6. And now, candidate number 7. Thank you very much, ladies. And now let's our host for tonight. Let us all give a round of applause for Miss Beatrice Sosa.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and good evening. Thank you so much po. Ako na po. Tapos na po kayo. Thank you, ladies. Dahil nagawang